Today, we're diving into the latest beast from Chevrolet, the 2025 Corvette ZR1. Get ready to be blown away by its power, design, and cutting-edge technology. Times have changed since the first ZR1 was dubbed the Corvette from hell in 1990. Fast forward to 2025, and the Corvette C8 ZR1 is here to redefine power and performance. Under the hood, it's packing an astonishing 1064 horsepower from its mid-mounted twin-turbo V8 engine. That's right, folks. This is the first factory turbocharged Corvette ever, boasting the most powerful V8 engine produced in America by an auto manufacturer. With this kind of power, it surpasses even the previous Corvette C7 ZR1 and the Dodge Challenger Demon SRT 170. But the ZR1 is not just about raw power. It combines a finely tuned chassis, adaptive suspension, and massive brakes with over 1,200 pounds of downforce. This ensures that every ounce of its power is effectively utilized, offering a driving experience like no other. Stylistically, the ZR1 pays homage to its heritage. The coupe version features a carbon fiber split window design reminiscent of the iconic 1963 Corvette. However, this feature is exclusive to the coupe. The convertible model forgoes this detail. Inside, the ZR1 maintains the format of the base C8 Corvette, but with unique touches. A squared-off steering wheel, a 12.0-inch reconfigurable gauge display, and a turbo boost gauge set the tone. The infotainment system includes an 8.0-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Customization is key with the ZR1. Choose from vibrant colors like Competition Yellow, Hysteria Purple, and Sebring Orange. There are also 5 new wheel designs, including a carbon fiber option and an available carbon fiber roof to reduce weight. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 is expected to start around $180,000 and can go up to $205,000, depending on the trim and options. It's offered in 1LZ, 2LZ, and 3LZ trims, with the ZTK Performance Package available for those looking for even more capability. The ZTK Performance Package includes carbon fiber components, different underbody pieces, stiffer suspension, and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires for enhanced track performance. This package ensures the ZR1 is ready to compete with the fastest supercars in the world. The heart of the ZR1, the LT7 engine, isn't just an upgraded LT6. It features a new intake system, secondary port fuel injection, unique pistons, connecting rods, and cylinder head castings. All this tech ensures optimal performance and efficiency. Chevrolet hasn't released the 0 to 60 times yet, but they promise a sub-10-second quarter-mile time. With the ZR1's impressive 1064 horsepower, we can't wait to see what it can really do. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 is a marvel of modern engineering, combining heritage and innovation to create a supercar that's ready to dominate. Stay tuned for more updates as production begins. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest car reviews and news. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.